Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping a focus session. Make an empty template, set BPM near 120-140, and choose 48 kHz for warmth. Then load a vintage drum or brushes sampler to capture jazz feel. Why? Because articulation defines groove. Create 2 instrument tracks, upright piano and double bass, and route them to separate buses so you can shape tone independently. Once done, name tracks and save a template. This saves hours when experimenting with comping, walking bass lines, and swing quantize later. Next, build the core groove. Record piano comping with light 16th note ghost accents, and use MIDI humanize to avoid robotic timing. Then program a walking bass line in scale mode, setting quantize to 1/8 swing so the feel breathes. Use legato and subtle velocity variation to shape phrases. For drums, add ride and brush patterns, and keep dynamics dynamic. Use smart controls to add tape saturation and a gentle high-shelf EQ to place instruments in a cohesive jazz space. Finish by arranging the form. Mark intro, head, solo sections, and head out. Collapse takes into folders for clarity. For mixing, apply subtractive EQ on individual tracks, glue compression on the instrument bus, and parallel reverb to keep room presence without washing the mix. Automate low-level dynamics for realism. If something breaks, first check track phase relationships, increase buffer size, and monitor plugin CPU. If CPU overloads, freeze or bounce heavy tracks. This preserves your session and keeps the performance intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.